Just a couple of quick things about what I'm playing today. This is a tune called Ah, Holy Jesus. It's about 450 years old, the tune, and the words are about 300 years old. And I'm going to play an arrangement by Bach, which is also from about 300 years ago. What I want to try to give you is a 30-second snapshot of what Bach would have been thinking. The tune goes ba da 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 da, nice and steady. Bach is bored, so he makes it more interesting, right? So what I'm going to do for you is play the tune, and then I'm going to play the arrangement. You're going to hear all these ba-da-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba. I'm going to try to do that for you. That's what Bach's intent was, and then play it loud. Remember, the idea here is that you would have known this. If you were in Bach's church in the early 1700s, you would have known this tune backwards, forwards, inside out. So he's playing with it. This is the popular entertainment of the early 1700s. Now we have the bills. Okay? So this is Ah, Holy Jesus.